Our political affairs editor Kartikeya Sharma now joins us live. Kartikeya, Arvind Kejriwal perhaps has just realized that he has no powers over the police, the NDMC or the DDA only after coming to power, and that's what a lot of political parties are also saying that. And definitely his critics saying that he has to understand the difference now between leading a protest and running a government.
I think what Mr. Kejriwal is doing is that he's just set his eye on the Lok Sabha elections. He wants the momentum to continue so that he gets to reap the benefit of the momentum he built during the assembly elections. I think it's only for this reason that Mr. Kejriwal is sitting in front of Vallabh Patel's statue. What is the reason for a sitting Chief Minister of Delhi to ask for suspension of police officers who are under the judicial probe of Lieutenant Governor? You know, he could have gone to the Lieutenant Governor's office and done the same, but he has chosen to come to the Home Minister's office, who was yet to receive the report one. Secondly, the state or in Delhi has been a sort of a truncated, contentious and debatable talking point that, the land or the DGA does not come under the authority of the office of the Delhi CM. Even as you said, Delhi police does not come under that. It reports directly to the Home Ministry. These are the issues which Mr. Kejriwal have to attend. But I think there's pure politics there, Sanjana. And the pure politics is he has set his eyes on the 7 parliamentary constituencies. And he understands that if he cannot keep the momentum going, he will suffer badly. And I think that is why he has taken this opportunity to sit in front of people, turn it around and say that our job is to be with the people. Street protest is one thing, but to responsibly administer and help people out is a different thing. That's a different cup of tea which Mr. Kejriwal will have to understand. If not today, on the 7th day or on the 4th day or on the 5th day, he will understand that once you assume office, you're responsible for a lot of things, which includes law and order.
Absolutely, Kartikeya Sharma, our political affairs editor. Thank you for bringing us that update. But